Configuring payment distributions in loan servicing soft. So when you go to process your payments, how do you want the software to allocate the money to principal, interest, fees, escrow, the current amount dues, the past amount dues, and so forth? This is what we mean when we say the payment distribution. You'll notice here that when I go to process a payment in, we'll take Irene Impound here, and we're processing a payment in of $511.91. And that money is going to flow down this waterfall and fill the buckets that are due, and that's displayed on this column here. And then here's your actual $511.91 being distributed into the various buckets as it flows down the waterfall. Well, you might have different kinds of loan product, and you might have different rules on how the money is distributed on those different loan products. And this is all configurable in loan servicing soft in a few different ways, at a few different levels. So first off, we're going to go in here into a control panel and system defaults and settings, and we can see here payment settings, regular periodic default distribution, actual days payment to payment default distribution, actual days and period, add-on or pre-computed rule of 78, Canadian, and so forth, lease, etc., etc. And you can see here that we can click this button and we can configure the waterfall configuration or the distribution configuration, and then that will be applied. Say for example I do a new loan and I choose the regular periodic interest method. This loan is now going to inherit that payment distribution. Now I can also go on to each individual loan and configure. I go to other options, I go to payment distribution, and now I'm going to override or change the distribution order for this loan and this loan only, but I'm going to change the settings here, and it's going to save, and that will be the distribution order for this loan only from that point on. Then, at the time of payment processing, we have another opportunity to change or override the distribution order. So I'm going to go ahead and process a payment here, and as you can see I have a distribution order set up here, but then I can override that for this one payment only, and then I can do the distribution, and next time I go to process a payment for this loan, it will default back to the previous settings. Thank you.